Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop notifications from Temu application. So first of all, open your Temu application. Here on the bottom, you can see this profile icon. Click on it. Here on the right top, there's a settings icon. Select it. Here you'll be able to see the option of notifications. Tap on it. As you scroll down, there's the option of edit. Select it and you can directly turn it off. So from now you'll not be able to receive the notifications from Temu. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps.